friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi. I want to share some happy mail with you. So this first one comes from our friend Katie of I Like to Cut and Paste. Katie is now a member of my design team, and if you don't know Katie, go over to her channel and share some crafty love with her. She is such a ray of sunshine. You will love her, and she's very fun to watch. So, oh my gosh, she participated in 14 days of Valentine cards, a collaboration that I hosted, which there's a playlist if you want some card inspiration. And look at this card that she made. Isn't it gorgeous? It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the layers. A lot of gold going on here, which is beautiful. And then we have some embossed, what do we call that, modeling paste. And this heart actually looks like wax, and it probably is. I watched all of her videos, but I can't remember if she used wax or if that's a sticker, but it's beautiful no matter what it is. Look at the layers, you guys. The rose gold around here. Ah, so beautiful. Ah, so sweet. Love, and they are balloon shaped, right? That's so cute. Look at the computer. Oh my gosh. Look at the little bike with all the hearts. So stinking cute. And then Cupid approved official seal. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, and another one made with love. Oh, and another one. Haha, look at the old car. It's a VW. That's so cute. We have a 1957 VW sitting in a storage unit that my husband wants to restore. So that's adorable. All right, dear Jovi, happy Valentine's Day. I hope your day is great. Thank you for letting me be a part of the 14 days of Valentine cards. It's been a super fun collab. I've enjoyed using your digital collections. Thank you. Big hugs and love, Katie. Well, thank you so much, Katie. I'm so glad that you were part of the collab. It gave me an opportunity to get to know you better and to really sink into your crafty style, which is beautiful. I absolutely love it. And thank you for my card. All right, friends, let's see what comes up next. Friends, this card comes from our friend Jan Sims. And let's see what we've got here. Oh, it's beautiful. I love that she used washi tape. Look, that is fantastic. She messaged and she commented and said that she was going to use some washi tape. That's fantastic. And I love the cutout butterflies. And she created those with paper. And this gold right here probably is washi tape. And she drew on the antenna. I love it so much, Jan. This is beautiful. What a complete surprise to find happy mail from you in my box. Ah, thank you very much. I love the washi tape on the envelope, and the heart shape you sent is a perfect size. I will make a template of it before I use it. Ah. Back in December, you did tutorials on uses for washi tape. I like the idea of using it for texture rather than covering the whole card with washi. I like playing with washi tape, so I think I'll use this idea often, and you will get the credit. Aw, Jan, you're so kind. Hoping for warmer weather and daffodils blooming. Yay, Jan. Ah, that's awesome. Well, I feel that the warmer weather's coming in. Definitely here in Florida, it is warming up. You might have seen some things blowing around in the beginning of the video. I've got my windows open. It's going to be almost 80 today, but it's so nice to open the windows. As a matter of fact, I have my windows open at night while I'm sleeping to get that fresh air. It's really healthy for you if allergies don't bother you. I want to thank Jan and Katie for the lovely happy mail. I appreciate you guys so much. And for you all watching, I appreciate you too. And thanks for watching. See you soon.